Ever thought about starting your own garden from scratch? Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own fruits, vegetables, or even just enjoying the sight of blooming flowers you've personally cultivated? Well, it's not just a far-off dream. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can create a thriving garden from scratch. Picture this: a bare patch of land, untouched, full of potential. The first step to transforming this space into a lush garden begins with a plan. Think about what you want to grow: herbs, vegetables, flowers, or maybe some fruit trees. The choice is yours, but remember, the location of your garden matters. Most plants need about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. So observe your chosen spot, note the sunlight it receives, and plan accordingly. Next, it's time to prepare the soil. Soil is the lifeblood of your garden. It provides the nutrients your plants need to grow strong and healthy. Start by clearing the area of any rocks, weeds, or debris. Then it's time to enrich the soil with organic matter like compost or manure. This will boost the nutrient content and improve the soil structure. Once you've prepped the soil, it's time to lay out your garden. Here's where you can let your creativity shine. Design your garden layout based on the plants you've chosen. Remember, it's important to give each plant enough space to grow without competition. Now comes the fun part: planting. Dig a hole deep enough for the roots of each plant. Place the plant in the hole, cover it with soil, and press down gently. Water each plant thoroughly after planting. From here on out, regular watering and weeding will be your main tasks. Don't forget about the importance of patience. Plants need time to grow, so while you're waiting for your garden to flourish, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Take action at the first sign of trouble. In summary, starting a garden from scratch involves a few key steps. First, plan your garden based on the location and what you want to grow. Secondly, prepare the soil by clearing debris and adding organic matter. Then, lay out your garden before planting your chosen plants. Finally, maintain your garden through regular watering, weeding, and pest control. With these steps, a thriving garden can be yours. So get out there and transform that bare patch of land into a green paradise. Remember, every great garden started from scratch, just like yours will. Happy gardening!